Welcome back to GreenTGarden vlog. Today I'm going to show you guys what's going on real quick in GreenTGarden, Long Island, New York. So you could see most of my plants. This guy's already complaining and whining. So you could see most of my plants. I pulled out most of them. My bottle gourd is doing really well. They're really good in the fall weather. You could see that was my cucumber trellis. They're all gone. So I'm getting rid of most of the plant, clearing up, making space. If you guys are new and you're wondering what is that black stuff on my ground, that's the weed barrier. Check in the link in the description. It's really good. You can see this one is already done. Last night it was 48 degrees, and you could see literally done. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out. Those guys are done. Tomatoes are still hanging in, whatever left of it. This is the one of my only zucchini plant that's trying to survive, but you could see it's getting rotten right there. I basically, I added new soil, organic fertilizer and all that, and it's still dying from the colder weather. You could see I have a speckled bottle gourd coming. These guys gonna grow a lot soon. Basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to guide them upward, but they're really heavy, so I don't know how long or how much I could hold there. I probably have them just run because there's nothing much in the garden to run right now. And some of these guys that transplant, they might not make it. This right here, I have one plant here. Two, these are the speckled bottle gourd. They're gonna make it. I still have time, and that's the flower open up. And back here, I'm just doing a really fast video, guys. You could see I already pulled out all the stuff. I got a bucket. I'm just gonna get out all the weed, get out all the dead stuff. My watermelon plant, I'm not sure if it's gonna make it. Right there, I'm not sure if he's gonna make it. At least, if it doesn't make it, I'll just pull out everything in here, freshen up the soil. Like right over here, I'll show you guys. Got some beans right here. Look at this. See that? I don't know if they're gonna make it. So what I'm gonna basically do, I'm gonna get all the stuff out of here, all the roots, get out any bad stuff in there, and I'm gonna dig down about a couple inches down, 5-6 inches down, add some compost right through from the bottom and just cover it back up. And if I have new soil, I'll add a layer of it, maybe a 2-inch layer of fresh soil. So this will be right here, and then I'll transplant my spinach, lettuce, and some kale and stuff out here, and they will grow perfectly fine here. And you guys can see it's a hot mess with the rain and all that the other day. So I'm trying to clean up as I'm going. I'll show you guys a video after I'm finished cleaning too. I'll give you something. Jeez. One thing with pet pigs, guys, no matter how much time you feed them, always look like they're hungry. Can't feed them too much or it gets overweight. Not sure if he's gonna make it. And here's a hot mess. My tomato plant broken from the other day from the wind and the rain. It's not gonna make it. I got 2 little baby spinach. These are what is it, radish, the watermelon radish. They're growing right now. I did prune out a couple leaves so I get some air in there. I got some beetroot. And this tomato plant, I basically took out all the leaves. It's barely hanging on in there. I got a bunch of tomatoes here. They're overgrown. I don't have pole to reach up all the way up. I was gonna plan to run them on the fence, so as you guys could see, they're coming out to the end. Got some big ones there. Look at that. These guys are big. And another thing is, you guys, I just want to show you guys right here. So all my ties, you see how I tie my plant? I keep all of them. See that? I have a container and I just save all of them, so I reuse this next summer. And all my sticks right there, my pole, everything I save, all my containers and everything, guys, save everything for next year. For summertime, you come back, you reuse every single thing. As I'm cleaning, look, I had some steak right here. I'm keeping them. These are all containers. I'm saving all. I save everything, every single thing as I can. I save. The only thing is going good, it's the greenhouse. Greenhouse is looking real good. No complaint here, guys. You can see, look, all my little containers. My seeding one, I save. And these guys are doing good. Soon in the evening, and now I close the greenhouse. Beautiful purple pepper. My daughter's she wants to pick that this evening, so look at this. I got some nice green peppers right there. So I only prune the bottom of this plant and I leave the top. I leave everything to grow because I have time in the greenhouse, and you could see They're growing really well. I did harvest a couple times already. I'm gonna harvest more. You can see the bottom. Well pruned. There's nothing touching the bottom or anything like that. Cayenne pepper plant. This is another hot pepper plant, and it was a new cherry tomato. I gotta move. See this? Crap. Forget. I gotta prune all this out, and I got another little pepper plant. These are extra radish seed I had, so I put 2 of them in there. My scallion is a hot mess. All the cucumber plant, all the plant was here, so I couldn't get to reach them. So coming tomorrow, I'm gonna get in there. I really have to get in there. Lettuce are growing nice, but there's a lot of leaf underneath there. I gotta cut them out, get them clean it up a little bit. Here, I'm cleaning up in here soon. And start planting some stuff in here too. And my butternut squash, powder mildew, man, I hate it due to the weather, the heat in here, and in the night it's getting chilly. I try to close the door now. It's really hard to control the temperature in the greenhouse now. Peppers, loaded with peppers right there, and you could see I got some kale and stuff there I gotta plant. As soon as they get a little bit bigger, I'm gonna transplant them. This guy's getting ready to prune. I got more pepper plants coming in here. See, and they'll start shooting up. They'll be fine. I have time. Look at this beautiful lettuce. More pepper. And look at this, my GreenTGarden one. I could see some little buds. Spring mix lettuce. And I do have a bunch of seed and stuff I still want to plant because I still have time in the greenhouse to do all this. Look at this. Beautiful, guys. They taste delicious. Look at this. These are some hot pepper, guys. Really hot peppers. Alright, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this video off because it's going too long. So it's my dog Kayla right there. Rescue her too from Alabama. And if you guys look all the way over there, let me see if I can zoom in. That's my other dog right there. That's my big guy right there. Bandit. He was rescued too, upstate. And I gotta give this guy a tomato. I really have to do. He just had breakfast, you know what I mean? But then he acts like he doesn't have anything, you know. Come on. Come here, Pep. That's like nothing for Pepper. He got upset yesterday and started digging hole, which is fine. Because next summer coming, guys, I'm going to be putting mulch right through all here with bigger fence and making this garden a little bit better next year coming. I have big plans, but it's a lot of work. But I could do it. Now another thing, wintertime, guys, I have square pieces, and I normally just fill it in here. So basically, the square piece that I have for this cutout, I basically push it in here and stuck in right here so it doesn't fall out, and I cover it. The reason why I cover this, if I don't cover this piece, weed will be growing coming spring, so I have to cover the hole. If you want, you don't have to do it, because literally when I replant stuff, I normally dig a couple inches in. I add home compost, and then I put my plant, and then I add soil, so I get rid of the weed no matter what. But if you want, when you get these weed barrier, you could cover the holes. If it's too much work, you don't have to, just don't cover it. Whenever you plant, and you could get rid of the weed at the same time. Alright, guys, so after I finish cleaning up and removing whatever plant is not needed, I'll show you guys how it looks. And guys, don't forget, if you're new, subscribe is 100% free. Every time I upload a video, you guys will see it right away. And thank you guys for watching GreenTGarden.